I don't see nobody else. I see myself. I'm looking at the mirror on the wall. Here we are again. Yeah. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only.
Hi guys, it's Diamond Lovely, and we're gonna be starting a new show on my YouTube channel. It's gonna be called Cooking with Diamond. So you're gonna be cooking with me, and today we're gonna be cooking oodles and noodles because some of my friends do not know how to cook oodles and noodles. So I'm gonna show you how to cook oodles and noodles. Well, actually, yeah, this type of pack. I'm not gonna show you how to cook the Roman noodles. I'm not gonna show you that. So, first thing I'm going to do is open it. So, you don't need to see me open it. So, let's go. Alright, guys, I'm back. Second thing you're going to do is put the water inside the noodles. Okay. I'm going to put that down. Yep. Okay guys, I put it the other way, excuse that. Then we're gonna close the microwave. I put my noodles in the microwave, so it did after that. Counting on what type of microwave you got. Usually you're supposed to put it on for 3 minutes, but I'm gonna put it on for 5 minutes because our microwave doesn't get that hot. Yup. And we're gonna let it cook. It's cooking. Over here, excuse the camera, I have the seasoning pack, and yep. The next thing you guys do is take out your noodles. Pour the water out. You're gonna pour the water out. As you can see, guys, you can see me pouring the water out, and that's what you're gonna do. Actually, you guys supposed to check on your noodles to make sure they cook. But I know mine is cooked because I cooked it for 5 minutes. And yep, after that, you take it over here. You're gonna take it over there and you're gonna open your pack. You're gonna open your pack and you're just gonna squeeze it into there. As you can see, you can see this. Yep. You're gonna squeeze it into there, and yep. I'm just gonna put that to the side, and you're gonna mix it up. Oh my gosh, I think the fuck is down there. After you mix it up, excuse me, my dad is running water, and yep, you could eat it after that, so it's eatable. I'm just gonna mix it up more. Mix it up till you get it really good, and then you can really eat it. This is how it should look after you're done. Yup. And smile for the camera real quick. And I hope you like this video. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new, because I have more videos coming up, and I know I haven't been posting like that. I'm in school, you know. And see you guys later. Subscribe, comment down below.